Papa, and then so the Adom TV, bedroom health tips, 5 minutes, where tips, and you be brave. Say, we say, your mom 40 minutes now, and I'm a break. Tia no tot from Monday, ebe payment day, a fear that make us say, common in age, and memma pomodin so, men's health, dog a boy and papa, Dr. Alifa Abdul Karim, or public health. So the bia was a ubia tibia so portable community so fear a story a health and quad the bebro dog ya na say and na se pa na me yen share was a memano ubia person onya the body need tell mo top on all the say la cause come be fe I think say also memman you careful about bodybuilders new manner or use no.
Okay. And naturally, no, your friend is saying, Yamiamoye in Gianni different, a bit in your dear, a build your body.
Okay.
But your pen in 10 minutes.
Your pen in 10 no. I see.
Instead of the idea, here, your fat, your ma, your dreams say a best supplemented with that. But then every action comes with consequences, and also it comes with its own consequences on your health. And see, you say, I know, and I say, you share. Me would show body no consequences when they be bro in the year to come, in 2 years to come, in 6 months to come. They say and do not also uhiya obinya, but then instead of doing that, I then take the natural food ways of building your body. Because and yes say why you can see in nature say we man enough. A man goes way beyond the physical body, even though and also see important, but so work it out. So when your time lifting natural way, more protein, all the food that your body needs to build. All these things for fast action.
Supplement natural
year now exercises now na ebeba
because exercise because before the substance become
yes a lot of chemicals supplements do have here but they are very harmful because you don't know too much artificial.
Okay.
I don't know the back effect every after some time of use.
Na yenhwe ehono ya beba ho nti so obi yes ade for long time then
supplement of medication na eventually be time anybody no cry and feel fine because the physical health ni edwane bia ekoye system bibia ye de wo ye ho ana something it has to go through either digestion or processing by the blood for it to work. And to the extra nyama body no put more effort on your kidneys, on your livers to extract the byproduct of all of this. And now we understand continuously they have to work extra hard and extra hard to be able to do the extraction, to be able to take out the harmful substances. Naturally, our body is supposed to do that. But so woman will be brave. So I say, I say, oh, car, me use to car because me be a car. I say, oh, car, will be overused. Body may just take it. She say, a car, overuse exactly. Ebe saying, maybe a weekend and ye febio. The same thing applies to all of this.
Yes. But you share alcohol, substance. Near ye and mema health.
Alcohol is a very harmful substance to us, especially depending on how much we are taking it. And some of the alcohol, they are too hard on us. Eventually, your liver has to do so much work. And to say, oh, sorry, na substance. They say, any alcohol, for abuse. It be more abuse, even food. It be more abuse, alcohol, drugs, see tramol, all these drugs are young people are so used to abusing it. Say, oh, a young person now or started in SHS and they say, oh, a normal, obi do some 20, now what you used to, obi do some few years, on to me in Jaibu. To see, I very important. Say most of the time, they abuse all these drugs because they don't have energy. They don't have energy, right? Yes, energy. Because ye nkasa, ni na boza. Because ye nkasa ebe solution. It's ways to suppress the pain. And a lot of the time abuse, but ebi akwala no fie yen kasa na bia hey tie ya kasa tie obia nobody is trying to listen to the child and understand say ono so no questions into about catching down no down for beka say numwe unuma already be
yes
very soon na why alcohol dependent, why drug dependent, why all sorts of addiction. And say be very careful where it starts from, because I am mostly in public health. It's doing prevention from the start. A lot of these issues start from there. The parenting style, so far as also drink how to communicate, Chirakola knows how to communicate. Chirakola knows how to do self-care. Ubufua, what are you supposed to do? Maybe take a run, maybe take a walk, and then later on come back and talk about it. It doesn't mean you need to shut down. It's a big here, say, share all these different aspects. You say and solve the problem of drug abuse and alcohol use.
Now we na say, oh boy, na watching men's health. Na me show. You better about ho. Na ya be memma no a man so de a brace mu. Ya da say. Dr. Alifa Abdul Karim, ye public health. Na yete nenka no miki mu nyina na yakasa fa mema pomuden ho fa seda no my point 0244867068 0244867068 mema no hwe ohun yi memfere koka wasam say osofo bi say o doctor bi koka kire no na solution wo bibia mu na bo ho ban twu ho free niema bi a ebe affect na wo hwe besi mu senkwa ho de ho a ebe se hia edase